Our research group has a long experience with electroporation-based treatments. Electrochemotherapy is a combination of chemotherapeutic drug and electroporation applied directly to the tumor to enhance drug uptake by making the membrane of the tumor cells more permeable. Basic research of the immune system and its relationship to cancer, new treatments based on promoting immune system function have emerged. The most advanced in the field of immune gene therapy based on electroporation is the immune gene therapy with interleukin-12. Clinical trials in dogs with spontaneous tumors have demonstrated its efficacy and safety. Although immunotherapies show a very good and durable anti-tumor response, there is still a need for the development of biomarkers that allow the selection of patients who will benefit from that treatment and prediction of response. Clinical trials on spontaneous tumors in dogs provide very important research insights for veterinary and even human cancer patients.